Introducing DMX Base flooring underlayment. The circular dimple design allows air to circulate beneath your floors, evaporating trapped moisture and eliminating harmful mold growth. Every roll of DMX Base flooring underlayment includes DMX joining tape and DMX easy shims. The first step is to prepare your subfloor. Ensure that your subfloor is clean, level, and free from dust and debris. Repair any cracks or imperfections before proceeding with the installation. Next, measure the area where DMX Base will be installed. Then, cut the membrane sheets to fit, simply using a utility knife or scissors. Repeat the process for the whole area. You may now lay DMX Base on the measured area. Dimple side goes down. Leave a small gap, about 1/4 inch, between the edges of the membrane and any adjacent walls or obstacles. In the next step, join the DMX Base rolls using DMX joining tape. Stick the tape vertically between each roll to lock them in place. DMX Base has been now successfully installed. For height variations in your floor of 3 mm or less, use DMX Easy Shims. A pack of 10 shims is included in each roll. DMX Easy Shims are nested in the dimples on top of DMX Base. Therefore, DMX Easy Shims will be sandwiched between the finished floor and DMX Base. The height of one shim is 1 mm. You can nest up to 3 shims as a maximum to correct the level of your floor. The final step is to install the flooring of your choice on top of DMX Base. We recommend to follow the manufacturer's instructions for this step. Flooring installation is now complete. If you still have questions, we're here to help. Please call our customer service team toll-free at 1-855-501-7837 or visit our website on www.dmxbase.com for more information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your flooring project with us.